What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to discover another amazing startup in Africa and discover what they are doing. Today I want to present to you Okra. Yeah, that's the name, Okra. And so what does Okra do? What does Okra do? The fastest way to access financial data. Access financial information from banks and more with one API to build financial products. And so basically, Okra provides APIs to you to be able to connect to financial institutions and get data, statistics that you can use. And I'm assuming they should be already partnered with some banks already. It's not every bank. And so you might want to check out the banks they have already partnered with. So here you have an example of those whom they work with already. Local, Food Court, Fair Money, IntelSwitch, Umba, and Paga, I believe. And so let's check a little bit what they do. Explore core products. And so you have here identity, speed up your onboarding, reliably sign up your prospects with their KYC profile from any financial institutions in seconds. So through their API, you'll be able to quickly onboard users using their KYC information from those financial institutions. A second feature they have is income, supercharge financial management, design personal financial management experiences with consolidated data. You equally have payments, collect one-time and recurring payments from your customers via USSD and internet banking. So I believe their API provides you with those features for you to be easily able to collect payments from users who are, I guess, partners in the banks with whom they work. And so the next feature is balance, validate the buying power of your customers and reduce failed payments. Yes, I say with the APIs you'll be able to get the profiles of the different customers who are in those banks, and I guess you'll be able to know if they have a buying power or not. Equally, transactions, yes, profile customers with transaction history data of up to 24 months. And so here, companies building with transactions, you have some examples here. Then authentication as well, validate your customers' financial information in real time. And you have some examples of companies which are doing just that. So how Okra powers businesses? A single API for multiple use cases across industries. So here are some of the features. Give out loans confidently, access crucial building blocks, design personalized experiences, make payments with ease, and plan for the future. And so by clicking on this, you can really have more details about all these features. And so here you have one API for all financial data. Implement any or all of Okra's products with just a few lines of code in any language. Wow, that's really interesting. So as you can see, just with these few lines of code, you can access information about a client in the partner banks of Okra to get all their financial information. The largest API coverage across financial institutions in Africa. Get financial information from all banks and other financial institutions in Nigeria, currently in beta for Kenya and South Africa. Yeah, so for now I believe it's just in Nigeria, and they're already trying to implement it in Kenya and South Africa as well. And as you can see here, you have some bubbles here which show you the banks with which they work already. So if you have a project, or maybe there's a scenario or use case where you might need those information from customers in these different places, then you want to definitely check out Okra, which will provide you with these APIs. So build easier, faster, 99.9% bank uptime, 400 plus businesses building with Okra, 20 plus integration options, and 10 plus compliance audits. So yeah, so that's Okra for you, an African startup which is providing you with APIs to be able to access financial data from different banks. So definitely check it out if you have a project that goes in that line, you might be needing such APIs. So let's check out their pricing. And so as you can see here, they offer a free plan, ideal for startups building and testing out new products. Get your API keys and start testing instantly. 100 free API calls, test in sandbox environment, unlimited test credentials, developer support, widget design customization, and real-time Slack notification. Or you can go with a more of a pay-as-you-go plan. And so here you can see the features, or an enterprise edition where you get different features as well. So as you can see, the products that will be available: authentication, the complete authentication methods designed for scale, mobile app authentication, internet banking authentication, USSD authentication, and even manual authentication. And so here are some additional products. You equally have balance, transactions, identity, and you can really see all the features that come with this, you know: direct debit, payment links, one-time and recurring payments, account garnishment, and much more. So yeah, so today I just wanted to present to you this amazing startup that you might not have known. It's called Okra. You can check them out at okra.ng, and you can see all the products that they provide. You can see the use cases where this might apply to you, and they equally have a very, I believe, a well-documented procedure and plans of how to use your API. So the company, you can equally have information about the company, the career options, their customers, and much more, and you can equally sign up for their products. So yeah, that was just a brief introduction to Okra. Definitely check it out, and hopefully it applies to you or a project you might be working on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.